love the channel and find it useful in becoming a happy retiree. Subscribe today. Let's go right to the phones here. We're going to John, who joins us on the line. John, what's going on? How can I help, my friend? John, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So, what's going on? How can I help? What's kind of just big picture with you? Overall income. Do you have kids? You married? And we'll figure out your taxes.
Yeah, overall income's $280,000. Married, 2 children, filing jointly.
Got it. And how much do you pay right now in property taxes?
About $2,500. It might be a little bit more, but don't have the specifics.
And then the other itemized deductions, approximately, what do you take?
Roughly $15,000.
$15,000. Got it. And you have how many kids?
2.
2 kids. So here's, again, rough estimate. This is a big change. This one is big. Again, what this calculator is telling me, and again, this isn't perfect. You got to take this to your CPA and figure this out. This is just a really good estimate, though, that you would save in 2018 almost $6,000. So $5,700 is what my calculator is showing me here. It looks like you would, again, this is a pretty interesting theme that keeps coming up as we're taking calls. And this I think is a good point, is that it takes a lot of time and a lot of tax prep, and you pay your CPA or your tax preparer, or some people do, a fair amount of money to figure out and track down all the different deductions that it might take several hours. So you get a tax bill from your CPA because you're trying to figure out all your deductions, and maybe your deductions add up to 15, 16, 18 grand. It's a lot, but it's also a lot of work. Now, because that family standard deduction has doubled, going all the way to 24,000, then you can pretty much say, look, if my deductions aren't going to be more than that, then you don't have to waste your time dealing with that. So it actually might make part of this bill was to try to make your taxes simpler. I think this is a really interesting theme that has now, as we talk this through, and this is all brand new, man. This is like day one of this, right, John? The theme I'm getting here is that taxes are actually going to get simpler, and you're not going to have to spend a day of your life tracking every single deduction down if you think it's going to be under 24 grand anyway, because the standard deduction makes it real simple. So
which is always a welcome change.
Yeah, it's a welcome change in a lot of ways, not to mention almost a $6,000 pay increase, net take-home pay increase in 2018. I guess all I can say, John, is Merry Christmas, man.
Merry Christmas as well. Appreciate it.
Yeah, enjoy. It's like it's the gift. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Clark, that's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
It's like Christmas vacation, all day, all year. Hi, I'm Wes Moss, and thanks for taking a minute to hear about what's so different about my new book, You Can Retire Sooner Than You Think. So unlike other retirement books, this book will give you a step-by-step guide, whether you're in your 20s or 30s or 40s or 50s, to learn from what these successful and happy retirees did to get there. I hope you enjoy the book, but more importantly, I know that it'll help you retire sooner than you think.